Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Tori. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember what we talked about in the last video. Okay, good. All right, so today is gonna be like a little maintenance vlog. I'm gonna go get my nails done. And I'm gonna get a pedicure, one of my favorite times of the month. I promised myself last year, I think it was in summer, that I'm gonna make it my duty that I get a pedicure and my nails done every single month. Mind you, I used to normally keep my nails done, but the pedicure, I just sprinkled that in it, and it has been very, very good. We have to remember to take care of ourselves. Self-care is so important. I mean, how else are you gonna be the best version of yourself? How else are you gonna perform to the best of your ability anywhere that you're placed if you don't take care of yourself? So I truly take pride in self-care, and since last year I have been getting a pedicure and my nails done every single month. Scratch the nails done, but I have been really getting a pedicure every single month, and it has been amazing because I work, as I told you guys, a lot, and I'm on my feet a lot, so it's the least I can do. So today, as I said, it's gonna be a self-care-ish day. Self-care / maintenance. I wanna go on the road right now. First, I need to collect something, and then I need to go. Well, I wanted to start with the gym, but my feet are so tired. It was Valentine's Day weekend. It was very, very busy at work. So maybe I'm gonna do gym later tonight, or maybe I'll do it after I finish running errands, but I'm almost sure I won't because I prefer doing the gym in the morning. I like starting my day with the gym, but because of how late it is right now, it's minutes to 12, and I know the salon is gonna take like 3 hours. So, and I wanna go out tonight. I don't think gym is gonna be done today, but it will be done tomorrow if it's not done today. Because today is, I really have to go get my nails done and go get my pedicure. Like my shin hurts so badly. Like my shin is sore. Yeah, so every single day since Valentine's Day came, I've been doing like 17,000 steps every day, and it's like fast-paced. So I really want to go ahead and get my pedicure done. Let me grab my phone because I have my to-do list on it. I have to actually make a to-do list to survive nowadays because I cannot remember everything that I have to get done, and I need to get everything done. So to ensure that I remember that, to-do list on my phone. So yeah, gym. So, well, gym is out of it for today, I'm almost sure. I'm gonna go collect those documents, get my nails done. I want to order also my food order for the week. I want to do a Walmart pickup order. I ordered a V-part that's supposed to be delivered today. If it is, I will take out this quick weave and wash my hair and wash my hair, because I haven't washed my hair since this style has been in. So that's a part of self-care as well. So that's if let me check if it's already delivered, because it was supposed to be delivered this morning. Actually, it was supposed to be delivered from yesterday. Oh, they said it was delivered and it's in the mailbox. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up, and then after doing my nails, I'm gonna come home and wash my hair. But this bob has really grown on me. I think I'm gonna get it again for summer, but it's been in for too long, and the last time I kept a quick weave for too long, the glue was like stuck in my hair. I did my hair like one month and a couple of days ago, and I think it's time to get it out. I think it's time to get it out just to make sure that it doesn't, quick weave shouldn't be in your hair long. That's what I learned the last time that I had it in too long. And did I show? Yeah, I did do a vlog when my hair was all messed up. So I'm trying to grow it back. So there's no way I'm gonna leave a quick weave in it for so long. Yesterday I finally got some good news that I have been waiting on for so long. Like, I am finally done with a chapter of my life that was just so draining, so disappointing, so pointless, so just unnecessary stress for no reason. Well, it was for a reason, but it never come true. So everything was literally pointless, so expensive, so everything. So I'm finally gonna be over and done with that chapter tomorrow, and I am so happy. Like, I cannot wait to see what my new life has in store, and I am just so hopeful. I'm just so happy, so excited, just so ready for my new life. Speaking of new life, I've been feeling really, really just down, and just not down, but like, just my room was just, it wasn't giving me the motivation. My room has to be my motivation hub because I'm in here a lot. So my room has to be my motivation hub. So last week, or a couple of days ago, I got some new frames for my wall, as you can see behind me, like the beachy vibe. I moved up my room a little bit, put my bed in the middle, got a new wall decor for over my bed, because I just needed some motivation in my room, and I really love how my room looks right now. It stays clean. I put my laundry basket in my closet because I just want more space in my room. I just need that fresh, airy, decluttered space, and I'm getting that from my room right now. So everything is on the upside. Everything is looking up right now. Let me show you my new wall decor that I got for my bedroom wall. This is it. It's just a big flower, and it's so cute. I went in Ross and I was like, I cannot leave without getting that. And the one on the other side of the wall, it's like a beachy vibe. So when I'm laying on my bed, I am just seeing a beachy vibe, and you know, I'm from Jamaica, so I love a beachy vibe. And you know what, I never used to love it when I was there, but now that I'm not there, I miss it. I got these three, and I just love them so much. I just feel so at peace when I'm laying in my bed, and I am just looking at my room, and I feel comfortable and happy and just at peace, and just I feel like I have more clarity when my room is clean and put together and everything is exactly how I wanted it. So that is also part of self-care. So I've been on this self-care thing for a while now, and today is maintenance day. So as I said, nails, and probably I'm gonna wash my hair. More than likely I will, because I need to get this quick whip out. It still looks brand new, strangely. I just put a headband over it because I sweat and my leave out it's not straight, and I don't want to wear it without it being straight because it doesn't look neat. So I just put this headband over it. Plus it's errands day, so headband plus errands go hand in hand. So yeah, it's errands day, so it is nothing too serious. Just talking about how neat my room is, and this had to fall off the chair. Crop top, tights, slippers, because I'm gonna go do my pedicure. Why is it so dark in here? Yeah. Why was I in here when it was so dark? Crop top, tights, slippers, because I'm gonna do a pedicure. And this is just the comfy fit for today. Okay guys, let's get stuff done. Let us start our to-do list, and I will see you guys when I am back from getting my nails done. I want to get something white, because I always switch between French and white. When I have French, I always miss white, and then when I have white, I miss French. So this was French. I'm almost sure I'm gonna get white. I've been searching for a white design that is just minimalistic, but I haven't been finding any. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna get plain white. Watch me come back right here and show you that I got plain white. But anyway guys, let us go get some maintenance done. My skin is moisturized. I'm feeling happy. I'm just so excited to see what life has in store. So let's go. Back like I never left, just left the salon, and I love my nails so much. It is just coming together with all the newness that I'm trying to bring in. I changed my shape. These are my nails, and they are so cute. They're like a soft cotton white. And I've been almond for so long, but I just wanted to change. Okay? Sometimes you just have to switch it up, and that's what I did. And it's just coming in line with all the newness that I am trying to bring forth in my life right now. Love it, and I feel so happy. Shape is so good, and color, you're not gonna see the cottonish milky white look that I was going for on camera, but trust me, it is. And I did everything that I had to do. I went and picked up my document. I got my hair from the excuse me, I got my hair from the mailbox, but I don't think I'm gonna pull my hair out and wash it today because I'm already congested and I don't want to make it worse. So I that is pending. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, but I did go ahead and order my food from Walmart, and I got lean ground beef, sweet potatoes, and broccoli, and that's what I'll be eating next week. And I ate it last week and it was so good, but I didn't buy enough ground beef, so I did only have ground beef for one day, and I was so mad because it tasted so good. And I'm not a sweet potato lover. Sweet potato has grown on me. Oven baked sweet potato, so good. I need that right now. Actually, I need that right now. I'm hungry, so that's what I'm gonna fixate on for the entire week, and it's so good. And a little sprinkling of the broccoli here and there because we need the fiber and we need the greens. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for my fix up vlog, because I don't want to make the videos too long because I'm trying to just come back in the algorithm, and I'm not gonna do my hair, so I guess that's gonna be the end of it for today. I may go out later, so I may start a totally different vlog. So yeah, if you have made it this far, remember to like the video. Remember what we spoke about. They're watching, so you need to outdo them. Okay, make sure you like the video, and I will see you guys next time. And I must say, this bob is really growing on me, especially with the white headband. But let me know if you like my nails. I'll see you next time. Sorry, this fix up vlog is only nails and pedicure. Oh, we have to talk about the massage chair because it's my favorite part of my nail experience. Just getting my pedicure done with the chair giving me a massage in the back. Oh my god, it was the most relaxing experience ever, and I look forward to doing it every single month. And I got a mimosa, so that's the only thing I've eaten from morning. Actually, I need to go drink a protein shake, because how is it that a mimosa is all that I've had all morning and it's 4:42? That is not good. That is not good for my body goals. That is not good for me as a person. So I need to get that sorted out. I'm gonna go and take a shower, and I think I'm just gonna relax until it's time for me to go on the road. So I will see you guys in the next one, which is probably gonna start later because I have to vlog on my days off, and I'm only off so many days, so I have to fill in a lot of vlogs in one day. So yeah, ciao. Like the video, like it. I need that.